What if Earth lost its shield? Not a shield of steel or stone, but an invisible guardian, wrapped around our world for billions of years. It's called the magnetic field. Without it, the sun would strip our oceans, erase our atmosphere, and expose every living creature to deadly radiation. So what would really happen if Earth's magnetic field vanished? You can't see it, you can't touch it, but right now it's protecting you. Deep beneath your feet, molten iron swirls in Earth's outer core. This motion generates a vast magnetic field, stretching far into space. It's the reason life exists, because above us, the sun is constantly firing streams of charged particles, a solar wind strong enough to strip away entire atmospheres. Mars once had rivers, lakes, maybe even oceans, but when its magnetic field died, the sun tore its atmosphere away. Today, Mars is barren, frozen, silent. That's what could happen to Earth if our shield disappeared. At first, you wouldn't notice. Life would feel normal. Phones buzzing, planes flying, cities glowing at night. But above us, something terrifying would begin. Auroras would ignite across the world. Dazzling curtains of green, red, and purple, glowing above every continent. Beautiful, but deadly, because those lights are radiation, slamming into our atmosphere with nothing to stop it. Within days, satellites would fail. GPS navigation would vanish. Communications would collapse. Power grids would overload, plunging cities into darkness. Radiation storms would sweep across the skies. Airline passengers would face dangerous doses. Astronauts, completely unprotected. And then, the slow unraveling. The sun would begin stripping molecules from the air we breathe. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Piece by piece, Earth's atmosphere would bleed into space. Within 100 years, much of it could be gone. Within 1,000, Earth could look like Mars. The oceans would begin to vanish. Ultraviolet radiation would split water molecules apart. Hydrogen would escape into space. Oxygen would vanish into the crust. Seas would shrink. Rivers would dry. Earth would begin its slow death as a desert world. Life on the surface would end. Radiation would bombard every creature. Only those hiding deep underground could survive. Humanity would be forced into bunkers, shielded cities beneath the ground. Food grown in sealed farms. Energy from nuclear reactors. Entire generations born in the dark. But survival underground is only temporary. With no atmosphere, no oceans, Earth would spiral into chaos. Weather would vanish. Temperatures would swing violently, burning by day, freezing by night. The Earth we know would no longer exist. If you want a glimpse of that future, just look at Mars. A world that lost its shield, and with it, its oceans, its skies, and maybe its chance at life. But here's the twist. Earth's magnetic field has weakened before. Every few 100,000 years, the poles flip. North becomes south. During that time, the field weakens, sometimes to a fraction of its strength. The last reversal happened 780,000 years ago. Some scientists believe we're overdue. If it began today, satellites would fail. Power grids would collapse. Radiation levels would rise. But life wouldn't vanish instantly. Humanity could adapt. If we're prepared, could we build our own shield? Some scientists propose placing a massive magnetic generator between Earth and the Sun at the L1 point in space, an artificial barrier against solar wind. It's possible, but the technology and scale are beyond anything we've built before. Another idea? Terraforming our own planet, thickening the atmosphere to replace what the sun strips away. But again, the scale is unimaginable. If the field were gone forever, the only true answer may be leaving Earth behind. So what if Earth's magnetic field vanished? The short answer, our world would become a second Mars. The long answer, humanity would collapse. Civilization would retreat underground. Oceans would fade. Skies would vanish. And Earth would become a ghost. But here's the deeper truth. Right now, that field is still here, still shielding us. Every breath you take, Every drop of water, every sunrise exists because of it. We don't see it, we don't thank it, but without it, we would not exist. Maybe that's the lesson, that the things that matter most are often the ones we cannot see. One day, the field will vanish. The question is, will we be ready, or will we follow Mars into silence?